Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey, welcome to another mukbang. I'm Lisa, and today I have Sassy Bird. I have a Sassy mac bowl with extra coleslaw and the Sassy honey on it with fries. I'm super excited. I have had this before, but I think I had a different combination of things. Like maybe not the Sassy honey, and I definitely didn't get extra anything on it because I normally haven't in the past, but let's try it. I'm definitely happy I got the extra coleslaw. So there's mac and cheese, fries, coleslaw, pickles, chicken. So good. Oh gosh. Cheeto's far away, but can you guys hear that? Do you have a favorite Nashville hot chicken place? And if you do, is it a chain or is it a local place? You have seen me try quite a few, I think like 3 places that are Nashville hot chicken places. And this is the first one that I ever tried on my channel. And look how big their portion sizes are. Here, let me get you a close-up. It's huge. You can also get tots with this, and then they also, instead of like the honey, you have like mild, medium, spicy, and then they have Sassy AF, which is like super hot. And I have a White Claw today, a blackberry flavor. I don't think I've ever had this flavor before. And unfortunately, I don't have my usual glass I use. So we're just going to drink from the can, which is fine. Excuse me. So my car is making a noise, and I have a friend that I grew up with. Like, I've literally known this person since middle school. And so I was trying to describe to them, like, the sound or whatever. So we took a video, my sister and I. And then the person asked us to record it from the outside. But, like, we tried multiple ways of doing it. It just didn't work out. And one of them was really funny. And there was, like, people outside. It was probably really embarrassing to see us. I don't want to show it to anybody because it's so embarrassing. but maybe one day I'll end up posting it, and I feel like the embarrassment paid a bit. But it was like me running alongside the car, and I'm not good at running. I don't really run ever at all. So you see my shadow, like, running with it. But it didn't even matter because we weren't even going fast enough for it to hear it. So then we had to try another way and it still didn't work, so. And I watched the movie. I went to the theaters. Is Sassy honey spicy honey? Smells not like regular honey. You smell it? Did you smell it?
I tasted it. Like literally just stuck my tongue in it. But it tastes good when it's on your stuff.
Interesting. Pour a little bit.
I'm not calm.
Do you guys want to see the pour? Hopefully my big head did not focus on it. Oh, I wanted so badly. So we went on a walk this morning. If you didn't know, I'm in California with my sister right now. I posted a couple stories on my Instagram story over the last couple of days showing that I was at her house. But we went for a walk this morning at a local park. Actually, the park that I learned how to swim at. We went walking there in my childhood. I'm back in my childhood home right now, you guys, because my sister lives in it by herself. And, well, not exactly by herself. I don't know why I said that.
Say by herself.
Okay, by herself. She's about to be living there by herself. And then...
I just want to know. I pay for everything.
What did you pay for? I pay for everything. Why are we laughing so much? We had one of these before we got on camera.
We've been like this all day.
Yeah, we've been really giggly. Really giggly all day, you guys. Anyway, what am I saying? Oh, Triss's hair is kind of back and blonde. How do you find time to lighten it during all of that? We're watching Divergent series. Sorry to be all over the place today, you guys. Anyway, back to the story. We were walking at that park. Was that all I was going to say? Oh yeah, we just went on a walk. It was fun. It was nice.
It was just nice to be outside.
Mm-hmm. Nice to be outside. Ew, I just opened my full mouth to the camera. Oh.
I'm just listening to her.
I know. If you hear stuff, my sister has 4 cats, you guys, and 2 of them are kittens. So, yeah. She has 2 all black kittens from the same litter, so they look like, I told Jessica, they look like little mischief and mayhem, like they were standing outside the door the room that I was staying in, the door, and I opened it, and they're standing there oh, look like they got caught just staring at me, but they're kittens, so they're really small, and they look like, whoa, I don't know, it was so funny. But they were just as scared of me as I was caught off guard by them. It was funny. Their names are Willow and Wander. I'll put pictures of them, excuse me, up here for you guys to see. How old are they? You don't even know. Oh, that honey's good on fries. So you prefer
7
tots?
months?
7 months?
Mm-hmm.
So the Kims are 7 months. Do you prefer tots over fries in general always?
I actually accidentally ordered fries last time I had this. Needed
The
tots
crunch or the
But
tops.
you know what? I do, like, if someone was like, oh, do you want a side of tots or a side of fries? Absolutely fries.
Okay. But with this specifically, with something that's like mixed, you
With
like the
mash,
crunchiness.
Yes, absolutely. I loved the tots. Absolutely, yes.
And I think the fries are not crispy, and I think I like that it's not crispy. But different texture. Each people.
No, I'm glad I tried the fries like that, but definitely tots.
Do you like the Divergent series? And if you do you think that 4 is like the dream man that everyone should have? Because my sister and I think so. And we think that Theo James is just like the perfect actor to play him. Oh yeah. And we have she has a squirrel in the backyard. Hey, bug on my food. There's a squirrel in the backyard that she's been feeding peanuts to. And she'll be like, squirrel, and we just like watch the squirrel for a bit. And then so since watching the Divergent series today, we were like, it's Theo James. The squirrel's name is Theo James. So now that we have Theo James living in our backyard, or living in her backyard. Oh wow.
He likes nuts.
Huh. He likes nuts. That's what she said. That's literally what she said. I'm not saying it as like the joke. You know, so they do a vegetarian option where you can do mushrooms instead of the chicken. And I always wonder with the cut up chicken, it'd be like cut up mushroom. And I did have the mushroom sandwich before from them. And I thought it was delicious. Like, it was almost even better than the chicken for me. Because sometimes I get really weirded out about chicken. And I think everybody does. I saw a couple videos on TikTok about people being weirded out by chicken. People thought that they were, like, alone. I was like, no. Everybody that I've explained it to has always said they have moments like that, too, with chicken. But I wonder... I'll have to try it next time I eat this place. Do the mushroom with the bowl. Because I have it cut up instead of, like, just the patty. I wonder how that would be. It'd be, or if it would fall apart too easily because it's cut up with a mushroom, you know? I didn't really explain Immaculate to you at all much. I just said that it was not... They portrayed it to be something very different in the trailer, kind of. Like, it's still very religious. But it's not exactly what you think it's portrayed as on the trailer. And then they... I don't want to upset anybody's feelings because I'm not saying that this is like a negative thing. This is just the vibe that the movie gave off. And I feel like that's exactly what they were striving for. But am I supposed to call them out like this? I'm not sure. But tell me if I'm using the wrong wording or bad wording for this to say. But I thought it was like a very extremely religious pervert's wet dream. That's very adult sentence right there. But that's exactly the vibe it gave off, especially with Sydney Sweeney being the character that she was. And her body type. If I'm being super honest, like, they definitely chose her for that role for a reason. And there's a scene that proves that. If you watch the movie Immaculate, you'll know exactly what scene I'm talking about. Well, there's actually 2 of them. Because my friend Steph that I watched it with, she pointed out one because it's her religion, and she agreed with me in that's exactly what it seemed like. Because there's two different scenes. One is like very obvious, and the other one is not so obvious, but still very like, okay, that's kind of a sexual view to the scene that they've portrayed. There's no way. Don't worry, we'll be back to the regular backdrop in a couple weeks, but just be patient for it, okay? I'm just not in my normal filming area. But I didn't want to not upload and film for you all, and I didn't have the opportunity to pre-film. So, yeah. Shoot. I forgot my before and after belly. That's okay. It's alright. I forget it often. I'm sorry, you guys. I know a lot of you really like that. And I see your comments whenever you ask for them. I do, I promise. But it's not like... I haven't built it into my routine again yet.
We even talked about it.
Yeah. Excuse me. Because I remember it whenever I'm thinking about filming. It's just like once the food gets here, I'm like busy setting up and then I forget to go film it. I should film it before then. But, yeah, and then I start eating because I'm normally really hungry by the time food comes. Oh, excuse me. I feel like there's so much in here. I feel like I ate a bit. But... What is that? Oh, right. Yeah, even with the extra coleslaw, like, so Richie's Hot Chicken in San Antonio, that food truck that I got, the last, like, loaded fries that I got from them, those were the perfect amount of everything with their honey and their regular seasoning and coleslaw. This one, I would say I definitely needed the extra coleslaw because it's, like, just the perfect amount. But their pickles are a lot thicker. The way you, like, slid by kind of reminded me like a penguin walking.
I thought you were laughing at their pickles up there.
No, I was laughing at your walking out of my peripheral that I was seeing. Oh, did I tell you guys about my sister getting LASIK? I think I did. But her eyes still look crazy. And it's been, what, like a month now? No, it's like 2 weeks.
Maybe, yeah.
Over 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be 3 weeks tomorrow, I think.
Oh, okay. So almost 3 weeks. And her eyes still have, like, the blood and stuff like that on them. But look how thick these pickles are, you guys. now I gotta pick it up.
I wonder if I got that live.
Okay, but look at this. Look at this big ass pickle. I mean, is it really bad? I mean, that's like 10 seconds that it was on the floor. Yeah,
Hey, I'll still eat it.
it's just really big pickle. Do they make their pickles homemade? I don't know. I follow them on Instagram, and I think they make some funny posts sometimes. It like smacked the ground like dink.
I know. And my live photo wasn't on. I'm really sad.
Damn it!
I know.
I always have it on.
I don't know why it was off, honestly.
Oh. All right, you guys.
Okay, I got it mid-air though. Like I snapped the picture. You can see it.
Falling. She got a photo. She was taking photos of me. My sister, she always takes photos and tags me in her stories and stuff like that of me filming if she's ever on like FaceTime and stuff. And then she said she caught the pickle falling mid-air in the photo. Sorry, I feel like this video is all over today. I hope you all don't mind. I'm just having some girl time with my sister. This is my older sister, by the way. We're just enjoying our 30s over here. No wonder Julie doesn't want us around.
No. Okay.
We're all reading like our astrology stuff too the other day. Let me know if you know your birth chart and stuff, and if you're into that, because we love it, and we've been reading ours, and there's this little blurb that I was reading that really fits all of us and our friends and stuff that we've been reading about. So anyway, I love you so much. Thank you for joining me for Sassy Bird today. I hope you all have an amazing day, night, morning, whatever time of day it is. But thank you for being here. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!